I think it's really important for accountants to have a cloud-based strategy. With Unleashed software, you can access it anywhere at any time, and it really gives you the benefit to add that value at a stock management level. My name's Nicole Alvey. I'm the Director of Equation Limited, based here in Christchurch, New Zealand. Equation is an implementation partner with Unleashed. We've been a partner since 2011. We work with clients nationwide and also into Australia. Our client base consists of manufacturers, distributors, wholesalers, physical retail stores and also online retail. We recently have been working with a client that's had rapid growth within their business. They needed something that was going to manage their stock levels, their reporting and all their processes within their business. From there we thought Unleashed software was the best solution for their business.
I'm Jo Williamson from Golden Goose Foods. I'm the Managing Director of the company and we're from Christchurch, New Zealand. Yeah, we're one of the country's largest manufacturers of hot dogs. Some people will know them as corn dogs. And we also do a lot of contract manufacturing for other companies. So what we found with Equation as an implementation partner was that they already had previous experience with installation of Unleashed in another food and beverage business. So they really understood how to set up Unleashed and the kind of information that we needed to get out of it.
My client was having problems trying to work out an accurate GP for their business and also the margin on every sale that they made, and also the business owner, he had all the processes in his head.
Yeah, we were having a lot of challenges with our inventory management, and Unleashed offered us that, but it offered us a whole lot more really. It's allowed us to introduce manufacturing and cost control into our business as well as inventory management.
We sat down with our client and had a talk through their processes and worked out what they're wanting to achieve, and then we worked out how Unleashed software could manage this for them.
So one of the key things about cloud applications is their reliability. And for us, we also needed something that was going to integrate with Xero, and Unleashed does both those things really well.
Our client had amazing results after we implemented Unleashed for them. They could see an accurate margin on every sale that they made. They had an accurate GP within their accounting system and also had a suite of reports that were just so useful for them making business decisions moving forward.
So in selecting a cloud application, it's really allowed us a lot more freedom from our business, that we don't have to necessarily be on site all the time to be able to check what's happening and support our team with running Unleashed.
I think it's really important that you try and partner yourself with an implementation partner, because the process can be quite daunting at stages and they're able to share their experience and knowledge that they've gained from using Unleashed software.
Yeah, I wouldn't hesitate in recommending Unleashed to other businesses. It's reliable, great way for data collection and to allow in-depth analysis of what's actually happening in your business.
We would recommend other accountants to partner with Unleashed. They have a very strong partner program, great support, good resources, and they're always open to feedback.